Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, first things first, how cool is the red background? I'm kind of digging it. It's really cool. I just got it. I really wanted to try it out in this video, so that's what we're doing today. Let me know what you think of it. I should probably make sure I don't have lipstick on my teeth. Alright, we're good. So, welcome back to my channel, guys. So, in today's video, I am going to be doing the unboxing of the one and the only my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blood Sugar Palette. I have the package right here. I have had this package for maybe 6 days already, and I have not unboxed it yet because I wanted to save it for an unboxing video, so that's what we're going to be doing today. I am so excited. When I first saw just the outside packaging of this palette, I lost my marbles. I knew right away I was going to get it. Even before seeing the inside of the palette, I knew I had to have it just because of the packaging. So the Blue Blood palette, which I'm sure most of you know, is kind of like the sister palette to the Blood Sugar palette that he came out with, which was one of his most successful palettes. And this launch for this Blue Blood say that 5 times fast. Blue Blood palette was the craziest launch of all time. The website crashed. It was a process. It was a thing that happened, but luckily I made it through. I got the palette and she is here. I was really surprised with how quickly it got shipped to me. So, I mean, I ain't mad at it. I'm just kind of surprised. I didn't think I would see this for like another month or so, just because like there were so many orders and I didn't know when mine was going to get like shipped to me. So, but regardless of all that blabber, it is here. It is time to unbox it. I will do a couple of swatches, but I don't want to swatch the whole thing just because there is a lot of controversy on swatches. You don't really know the true integrity of an eyeshadow until you try it on your actual eyes, because that's, after all, that is what an eyeshadow is for. It's for your eyes, not for swatching on your arm. You know what I'm saying? But I will swatch a couple of them. Now, I know a ton of people who maybe got this palette either in the Morphe store or they got it in PR or whatever. You guys have probably already seen this palette, but for my own sake, I really wanted just to film an unboxing on it, get my first impressions on it, let you guys watch with me. We can hang out. It's a thing. I love it. So without further ado, let's unbox. So I'm just going to start cutting away here. Hopefully I don't like cut the actual palette, but I'm also trying not to like show my address at the same time. Also, let me know, what do you guys think? Is the sound quality better? Does it sound better? I messed with my settings a little bit on my camera, so I'm hoping that you guys can hear me better, because I know a lot of people said that you kind of had a hard time hearing me, which is really unfortunate. So let me know if the sound quality is better. If not, I will still I will continue to play around with it and try to figure out what the heck is going on. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, guys, so I am just going to put my finger in here and lift up. Oh, you guys see the blue? Oh my god, I'm like sweating. Oh my gosh. Okay, so as you can see right at the top here, we have the really nice bright blue Jeffree Star Cosmetics tissue paper, which I really like. I enjoy that. Oh, and then we have the actual palette. Oh my god, so we'll save that for like, yes! Oh my god, okay, so I was so hoping for this picture, because you guys know every time Jeffree Star Cosmetics comes out with a new launch or a new product or whatever the case may be, he always sends a promotion picture with it. And I literally have every single promotion picture he has ever sent. And I was really excited for this one. I was hoping it was going to be this one. So this will be the next one that is going to go on my little photo frame. I am so excited. This is such a beautiful photo of him. So the Blue Blood palette was $52 and then it was $7 shipping. So in total I paid $59. And then we have the palette right here. As you can see, it just has the little sticker. It just says Blue Blood. And the tissue paper on this one is absolutely gorgeous. It has like the dark blue with like the baby blue Jeffree Star Cosmetics logo, and then we have like a crown here. Really, really cool. So oh man, I feel like I should we get closer? Should I get closer? Let's get closer. Okay, so I got a little bit closer. Hopefully you guys can see better. So I am going to start peeling back this sticker. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ta-da! Here is the Blue Blood packaging. This is the initial outside. First impressions, it feels really cool. I love when packaging is like this. When you like run your finger over Blue Blood, it kind of has like a raised texture to it. And then the outside just kind of looks like wood in a way, like blue wood. I don't know, I dig it. But I love this box. I'm kind of weird. I always keep the box that the palette comes in. It's just part of like my collecting, I guess you could say. So I will definitely be keeping the box. Really nice on the back. It just has like all of the information, all the ingredients. Without further ado, what? Oh my god. Here it is, guys. I'm like profusely sweating. Like this is actually getting gross. So here's what the palette looks like in the box when you first open it. I'm just going to very carefully take it out of the box. Oh my god. This is the most extra, most thought out packaging of a palette that I've ever seen in my entire life. So as you can see, it kind of has like a raised top, almost like a casket or something like that, which is kind of what he was going for. I dig it. I love the color of it. It just says Blue Blood right on the top here with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics logo in the middle. Really nice, sturdy. It's not too heavy. It is a little on the heavier side, but I wouldn't say it weighs anything more than like what the blood sugar weighs. So, and then to open it, this is really cute. Like the attention to detail on this thing is absolutely amazing. Like you can just see how gorgeous everything is. And when you look really close at the lock here, you can actually see the Jeffree Star Cosmetics logo really tiny right there. And then just like the filigree all around it. Oh my gosh. So the lock is really easy. You just kind of push it up to open it, close it down to close it. Okay, so the time has come to finally open it and see what it looks like on the inside for the first time. I'm so excited because this isn't just a picture on social media. This is actually in my physical hands right now and I can actually physically look at it and see it. So, ooh, it is kind of like tough to open. Okay, I got it. Here it is. Oh, I can smell. There's just something about the smell of a new Jeffree Star Cosmetics palette. I don't know what it is. I don't know what he does, but all of his palettes just smell really good. And when you first get the palette and you open it, it has that smell to it. It's just like, here we go. Oh my Lord. Look at all of those beautiful shadows. Holy crap. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. So when you open it up, as you can see, we just have a really big mirror here, and then we just have all 18 shadows. As you can see, this palette is very blue themed. There are a lot of mattes, there's a couple pressed pigments, there's metallics, there's nice transition colors, there's really nice lid colors. So I mean, there's definitely a good deal of eyeshadow in this palette to do like a full wearable eye look. I will be filming a makeup look with this probably this Friday. Obviously I don't have it on my eyes today because I just unboxed it. So, and I really wanted to unbox it before I did a makeup look with it, but that is coming, I promise. I'm just like thinking in my head of all of the different looks I could do with this. Like I'm really excited to play with this. Now, keep in mind, I am not no beauty guru. I don't know how to get all elaborate and cut crease and blend. You know, I don't know how to do any of that. So you guys are just going to have to work with me. The look I probably create will be very user-friendly. Quote Manson. It will be very easy. It'll be very straight to the point. So yeah, just kind of keep that in mind, okay? Like nothing extravagant is going to end up from my eyes. Like this palette looks extravagant, but I can't get that extravagant on the eyeballs. So here's just an up-close view of what all of the colors look like up close. Just kind of angle it down so you guys can kind of see the true color of everything. So obviously this palette is called Blue Blood, so there are going to be a lot of blue eyeshadows in this, which blue isn't for everybody, and literally only Jeffree Star would be able to bring back blue eyeshadow. Like he's just amazing. So yes, there are a lot of blue eyeshadows in here, but I'm absolutely living for it. Blue eyeshadows are definitely one of those colors that can be kind of scary to put on because sometimes if you put too much on, you can look like a clown. Or sometimes if you don't do it right, like, you know, it can be a disaster. So I'm really going to kind of take my time with this palette, kind of get to know the shadows, kind of get to know the colors, and go from there. Okay, so I will go ahead and swatch a couple of the colors for you guys. I don't want to go too crazy though, just because of, you know, what I talked about earlier. So I think the one I really want to swatch is Celebrity Skin. So I'm just going to take a clean finger and just give Oh my god, seriously, all of his eyeshadows feel like butter. So this is what celebrity skin looks like. It's very similar to just like a skin tone, and I'm just going to swatch it right here on my arm. Okay, so here's what celebrity skin looks like. Very, very similar to his liquid lip. The next one I really want to try is this Crystal Flesh color, which is right at the top. That would make like a really pretty highlight. So as you can see, that is very bright. That is very metallic. I'm just going to swatch that right here next to celebrity skin. Ooh, yeah. Wow, that's gorgeous. So as you can see, it's like a very like pinky, kind of like fleshy color. Really, really like that one. The next one I'm really intrigued about is this shade right here, the one that I talked about that I liked. And this one is in the shade Blue Monday. So I'm just going to take my ring finger, give a couple of swipes in here. Oh yeah, that's like a really pretty, like almost like royal blue purple color. And I'm just going to swatch that right here. Oh my lord. That is gorgeous. Just going to kind of very lightly blend it out a little bit just to see. Okay. So just kind of finessing it a little bit into the skin. That color is absolutely gorgeous. The next one, I feel like just for the sake of the video and that this is the Blue Blood palette, we should go ahead and swatch Blue Blood. So I'm just going to take my pinky for that one. Just give a nice little swirl. Ooh, that's gorgeous. And this is very similar to kind of like what the outside packaging looks like. So I'm just going to put that one right here. Ooh, that's gorgeous. That's like a really pretty like sky blue color. I love that. What a look. Alright, so I did go and wash off my hands so we can swatch a few more colors. The next one I'm really curious about is this darkest shade, and this one is called Undertaker, which I really do like that name. So again, I'm just going to take my pointer finger, take a couple of swipes in here. Oh yes, bitch. That's like a really nice like navy dark blue kind of color. So I'm just going to take it and drag it down here. Wow. Oh my god, that is so freaking pigmented. Right, the next one I really want to try is this kind of like metallic blue color, which is called Ocean Ice. So I'm just going to take my middle finger. Ooh, that one feels kind of gritty. I feel like this one would work really well wet. So that's what that looks like on the finger. So I'm just going to take that and kind of drag it right next to Undertaker. Oh my god. Do you guys see that? Do you see it? That is gorgeous. Wow. Holy. Yeah, like if this is this pigmented with a dry finger, can you imagine what this would look like wet? Just like patted all over the lid. I need to breathe. I think the next two that I want to take are Flourishing, so I'll do that one on my ring finger. That's just kind of like this dark green color. Or it looks kind of dark green, but as you can see on the swatch, it looks a lot brighter. It's kind of like a sea green almost, like a blue sea green. And I'm just going to take that and drag that right here. Wow, these are all so amazing, and they're all so buttery and soft and just absolutely gorgeous. I love it so much. Oh my god, it's beautiful. And then the next one I'm really, really interested in is this mint tea, because this looks really like pale in a way, so I don't really know how this is gonna like show up for a swatch, but let's give it a go anyway. So that is what that looks like on the finger. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Okay, so here's what mint tea looks like. I'm just going to take a little bit more and just kind of pat it, because this one kind of seems like it needs a little bit more finessing. Not because it's a bad shadow, but just because it is so incredibly pale in the pan. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but still, it is a really pretty color. It's definitely a unique color. Not every single palette has that. And then here's just an up-close view of those swatches for you. Ooh, guys, so you know this like really bright blue metallic one? Look what it did to my finger. It literally like stained my finger. So I think this is definitely one of the pressed pigments, so just kind of beware of that some staining can happen. Alright guys, and that is everything that I have for this Blue Blood palette unboxing. What do you guys think? I am super, super happy with it. As always, I am always happy with anything Jeffree Star comes out with. He is just pure genius with whatever he comes up with, and I am super glad that I have this in my collection now. I now have every single Jeffree Star Cosmetics eyeshadow palette that he has ever released. I have Beauty Killer, Androgyny, I have the Alien palette, the Thirsty palette, Blood Sugar, every single one, and now I can add Blue Blood to my collection. I am very, very excited. So let me know down in the comments what your favorite eyeshadow is out of this palette. Let me know what eyeshadows you want to see me use, you know, all that good stuff. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you go down and give me a huge, huge thumbs up. It really does help me out. Also, if you are new to my channel, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. But as always, I will see you guys very soon in my next video. I'm in such a good mood now. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Yay! Oh my god, I'm so happy. Okay, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you later.